how's it going out there? Welcome to the Bell and not the Dell. Just kidding, welcome to Jack. Today we are up left and right here in the Schmanimal Kingdom. We also promised ourselves we weren't gonna get Starbucks today, and we are gonna go get some Starbucks because Starbucks is good. How do I angle this so I don't look like I'm fat? I don't know how to fix this. You can't, there's no fixing it, guys.
My mom's gonna watch this home video and be like,
she's like,
Taylor at it again.
Here she is, saving the world. First she beats up boys, and then she goes to Animal Kingdom. You're welcome. Danielle straightened my hair today. It looks nice. Oh, there's a parrot. Hold the phone, guys. Oh, hell no. Please admire these birds with us. It's a parrot in its natural habitat. What kind of parrot is that, Danielle? Can we even see that parrot?
They're kissing. They're kissing.
They kiss.
They just went like this. Okay.
True love. Wow. True frickin' love. We could go now. I'm done with my. This has been TED Talks with Taylor Powers.
TED Talks.
Thank you once again for joining us here at the Schmanimal Kingdom. We're gonna go right. Oh, I forgot to tell the people. I forgot to tell them. We got a 420 pass for dinosaur. Heyo. And the fast pass for Kilimanjaro safaris directly afterwards. So dabbing on the haters left and right. Okay, you can have it back now. I'm done.
I'm in the way. Look at them. Yes, wow. So cool. Look at them marching. How did you get to be in the parade?
Because we were here too late.
It's loud.
We gotta go.
We gotta. Ready?
Me too. I saw eyes feel. Some of these.
Ah, sorry. Oh, look at that little old man. What's so cute?
I'm him. I relate to him.
Me too. Ripperoni. We're gonna go explore in the big blue world.
I've never done before.
We missed it. We missed it. I knew we would.
What do you mean? I'm doing the whole show right now.
The one woman Finding Nemo musical. Like Taylor Powers.
In the big blue world. Yeah.
Yeah, so good.
You're welcome.
Snap for Taylor. Snap. Quick water stop before we travel back into time, because it's fast, it's a blast,
And it's
in the past.
It's hot outside. We're here for like 10 minutes.
We're gonna.
I didn't even do anything yet. I just walked. I was just walking. And here I am. Dehydrated.
Hydrate before you dehydrate.
Did you get any?
Ah! Oh my god!
Iguanodon who?
That was terrifying.
I feel his presence. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill. Oh, Bill Nye the Science Guy, speak to me.
Oh!
Works.
You did it!
I've summoned the science guy. I've summoned him.
I just took the best video of my entire life. It's on my Finsta. Go follow it. Dan Whisper with 3 R's. Get it? Dan Whisper rather than Danielle. Yeah, I know it's Danielle. So I'm gonna insert it right here. The video. Hello there. Saw Safari Donald.
Yeah, we did.
Pretty lit.
Lit AF.
Now we're gonna go film our Africa music video by Toto.
Do you know Otterbox sponsors our construction?
Really? Oh, that would make sense though, because my phone case is by Otterbox.
Whoa.
Oh, trippy. The Twilight Zone.
It's Timon.
Oh,
Thick
it's
AF.
Timon.
You ever
Thick
looked at
AF,
Timon's thighs?
eating all them bugs.
Timon's thick.
He is thick.
I don't know what's in a beetle, but beetles are thick.
The beetles are so juicy.
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 I love you.
Okay.
Hey,
Let's go.
Danielle. Hey, Danielle.
What?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
You're getting better.
I'm doing so good. I can't roll my R's.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. No,
that was
good.
fake though. I didn't actually roll my R.
But it sounded like you did.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's so bad.
Discovery Island Trail. Not today. I'm not
You
discovering no islands. I'm walking to Africa. I'm gonna get on the bus and they're gonna drive me around some aminals.
Aminals. Oh my God, they're playing the music. They're out today. My band is out
Wait, we're
today.
in Africa.
We are in Africa. I bless the rains down in Africa. But they're playing the music. Like they're jamming. We gotta go.
Yeah. Oh, you just be on the ground.
Yep.
Oh no, they're back.
Where my boys go?
We
just did Zumba at the Harambe Village. It was lit.
Didn't have to pay a single dime for it. I work every day for it. 14-hour days at the PhilharMagic for Zumba in Harambe Village, people. You don't get much better than that.
I'm hot.
Me
it's
too.
Sweaty out.
My back sweat got in my hair and made my hair wavy again.
We got way too into the people dancing there. So we did not film our Africa music video.
We didn't.
Next time for sure.
Yeah.
Until then, now we will go on our last adventure here, which will be the safari.
It's not our last adventure here.
For today. Our last adventure for today is the safari.
Okay. Donde está
Here we go.
Fast Pass entrance? Donde
Right here.
está? Oh.
Woo, let's get it. How excited are you about this?
I've never been on this ride before, and I want to see a giraffe.
Copper-colored antelope are called bongos.
Look at it.
Bongos are often known as the ghost of the forest because they can be so hard to find, and that's because they like hiding behind bushes or underbrush and usually come out at night to feed. Further in the back, there's a lighter
does look like a
antelope out
donkey
there
and a
with them. That's
camel.
a greater kudu. They're the largest of their species and will stand about 55 inches at their shoulders and can weigh up to 750 pounds, making them the second. Wildebeest have also taken the opportunity to cross the road as well. They would like to show us their own version of the Great Migration. The wildebeest will actually go by another name, which is the Gnu, spelled G-N-U. And that's because when they vocalize, it sounds like they're saying new. Alright, we'll see if we can get a closer look at that giraffe. It looks like it's walking in the direction where we just came from. Giraffe is actually called a tower, which makes sense because they can be so tall. At birth, they'll stand around 6 feet and grow up to be anywhere between 80. Their major activity throughout the day is eating, so it's not surprising that we found them eating. wait about 20 hours out.
They fed it a watermelon. You can see the little chunk of watermelon in there.
Hey Taylor, what did you think about the safari?
I loved it. Wait a minute. I love this whole idea. Animals are great. Stop poaching. It makes me sick. I was really sad that she didn't tell us more about poaching, because there was a whole opportunity for her to be like, these are elephant tusks. People kill elephants. Don't do it. And she didn't do that. So that's fine. I can just tell the people as they exit. Don't kill elephants. Also, apparently I could have gotten a senior wilderness explorer badge here, and I didn't have my wilderness explorer gear with me, so just gonna have to come back and see some more schmammals.
All right, we're peacing out.
Fichwa.
Fellows.